Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email address of your Flybuys account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to flybuys.co.nz. Log into your account, and if you don't have your account, you can sign up to Flybuys in a couple of minutes. Join Flybuys now. After you sign up and log into your Flybuys account, you will see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on your profile, which you see over here. Then click on My Account. After you click on My Account, the process is not over, my friends. What you need to do is click on My Profile, which is right beside Account. Then scroll a bit down and you can see your profile details. To change your email address or update your email address, go ahead and click on Edit Details, which is right beside here. Scroll a bit down and you can see the email address. Go ahead and remove this email address if you are sure and write down the new email address. Now, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and click Update. After a while, your email address will be changed on your Flybuys account. If you scroll a bit down, there you go. You can see that your email address has been changed. Let me show it to you the process once again. First of all, open Flybuys on your browser, go to your profile and click on My Account. After you click on My Account, what you need to do is click on Profile. So you can see my profile over here. Click on My Profile and after a while, scroll a bit down and click on Edit Details. Then what you need to do is click on the email section, change the email address or remove it and write down the new email address of your choice which you are using now. Go ahead and scroll a bit down and click Update and there you go. This is how you can change your email address of your Flybuys account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.